Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. I'm going to be putting on these press-ons by Kiss. I had a really hard time getting into the box. Yes, I see a pato. Quack, quack. These are the Kiss Classy nails, and they were a ballerina shape, but I did cut them down a little bit just so they could be a little bit more coffin. If you want to see the full prep for this, I'll go ahead and leave it in a card up here. Let's go ahead and size out some nails. Well, I cut the numbers off. Now the downside to having press-ons is that you're limited on the sizes that you have, right? So whatever is available in whatever design is kind of what I would have to use. Please make sure that when you are sizing out your press-ons that they are covering the side walls of your nails. For this method, I use the acrylic liquid with the acrylic powder, but for this method, I'm still going to use the acrylic powder, but I'm going to use glue. I don't know where my brush on glue is, so I'm just going to use the glue that came in the kit with the nails. The last step that I completed was applying some dehydrant to my nails. So now I'm just going to go in with this acid-free primer all over my nail, my natural nail. You want to make sure you're getting all the way back to where your cuticle is. And if you have any scrapes or anything in your cuticle area, you're about to find out, buddy. Let me tell you, because this stuff burns. So if you didn't find out with the dehydrant, you will definitely find out with this prep. That dries quickly, so you don't have to wait for it to dry down. Let's go ahead and open up our acrylic powder. That bead is still there from when I messed up in the last video. I'm gonna just go ahead and take that out. Nobody needs to know about that. All right. So your next step is going to be to cover your nail on the inside with glue. Definitely would suggest using the brush glue. Where is mine? I don't know. So I'm going to just use this glue. I'm going to dip it in there and apply some glue to my natural nail. And now I'm just going to go in at about a 45-degree angle and lay that flat and hold it. And I kind of feel like I should have went up on this nail size because I can see a lot of my natural nail on this other side. See? So I should have went a little bit larger, but I'm gonna go ahead and repeat that for each nail. Things happen. Cash, please, babe. Stop. Ooh, that is not what I had out for this nail. Oh, that was supposed to go there. See, I'm messing up, you guys. That's not supposed to go there. And get some glue on this. And hopefully this glue is still wet. It is still wet. Okay. And again, 45 and press all the way down till it's flat. Hey, don't go in there. Don't go in there, Cash. I'm not gonna help you to destroy my stuff. Go ahead, apply the glue, apply the acrylic, glue again. I personally prefer the acrylic bead as the glue versus this method, because if you do not spread this glue right and place your nail properly in order to get that nice even all over coat of glue on your natural nail, especially if you have nails that are clear in this area, you'll be able to see the gap. You'll be able to see the gap that the nail gel leaves. And I just don't like that look. It's just a lot more complicated to fix. And I don't have that issue when I just use acrylic the regular way. The first time I did these two methods, and a lot of people keep asking, but you guys, it was so long ago. I honestly don't remember how long they lasted. I think I put it in the comment in the removal video. I would have to go look. But they last the same amount of time. They were literally on for the same amount of time. I had to take them off. No, don't open those, please, son. Please. Please, let mommy have these. Thank you, son. You're so awesome. You're so amazing. But really, it's that easy. It's that simple. And you're done. And that took less than, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. And these will last you a lot longer than just using the glue. Now I'm going to cut them down and make them the same shape, but this is what they look like. These are my nails. How cute. How cute are those? Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Y'all, I'm about to be clickety clackety. Clickety. Let me move this out the way so y'all can hear me, because that's how I'm about to be tapping on everything. You know how you get your nails done? When you just tap on everything. Yes, I'm gonna just clickety clack. That sounds so good. It sounds so good. Clickety clack, clickety clack. Yes, baby. Yes.